We're making 90-second chia buns in the microwave, of course, and I'm going to show you the oven method too. Let's go. I just love a good 90-second recipe, and in this case a bun. Imagine you can have your bun done in 2 minutes, including mixing, and you just have your fillings ready and dinner's ready in what, 10 minutes? This recipe you're about to see is actually an exact replica of our previous 90-second buns, but made with almond flour. So if you're opposed to using chia flour, you can use almond flour, and here's the short recipe link to that. As always, nutritional information and your shopping list. It's only 4 ingredients with 2 sets of measurements. It's listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 1 egg, then 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, 3 tablespoons of chia flour and a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix to combine, getting rid of any lumps, and you should have a runny batter, and if not, you can add a tablespoon of water. Pour all of the batter into a greased ramekin and shake the ramekin to smooth out the batter, then microwave for 90 seconds. If you don't grease the ramekin, the bun will get a little stuck to the dish, and it only matters if that will bother you. Some people don't like cooking in the microwave, so set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Grease a little cake tin and pour all of the batter into the tin and smooth it off or shake it smooth. Then bake for 30 minutes. This is how your bun will turn out if you don't cover with foil before baking, which is okay, but we want a nicer bun than that, so cover with foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and then let it cool. Use something to help remove the bun from the tin, and for me this is much better result. An evenly baked bun with no cracking, and let's look at them both. The oven baked one is pretty, sure, but we took half an hour to make it versus the 90-second bun. Now let's check out the inside of both buns, and this time I will try to cut a straight line. That's how easy the recipe is. I hope you get to try it and let me know what you think. Also, a huge thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. We hit 80,000. Chris has promised me, I've been bugging him, but he's promised me that we can do a giveaway at 100K.
Now really, we have to talk about this.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.